Ever wonder what the future holds in the realm of artificial intelligence? It's a question on everyone's minds as we stand on the brink of a technological revolution. From virtual assistants to self-driving cars, AI has already transformed how we live and work. But what's next? Hey, my fellow tech fanatics, welcome to the future. With the release of the top 10 AI tools for 2024, we're starting an exciting new trip into the center of innovation today. Prepare to be amazed by cutting-edge technology, expand the boundaries of what's feasible, and experience artificial intelligence's unparalleled power. So fasten your seatbelts, because the future is here, and it's about to get really exciting. And now, brace yourselves for the grand finale as we recap the extraordinary lineup of the top 10 AI tools of 2024, each one a beacon of innovation, reshaping our digital landscape and setting the stage for an electrifying future. Stick around till the very end, because the last one is an absolute game changer, guaranteed to leave you on the edge of your seat in awe and anticipation. ChatGPT, an AI conversational partner, uses OpenAI technology to provide personalized discussions based on users' interests. With over 100 million users, ChatGPT offers insights, stories, and ideas, enhancing conversations and influencing future AI development. With a focus on light conversations, in-depth explanations, and deep discussions, ChatGPT has transformed how we engage with AI and significantly impacted future AI advancements. Sora is an OpenAI generative artificial intelligence model that can transform written descriptions into captivating video clips. It can create imaginative scenes, stunning landscapes, or everyday situations. For example, a description of a calm lakeside sunset can be transformed into a captivating video clip with ripples reflecting on the water's surface in seconds. Now, let's journey to our next groundbreaking tool. Perplexity AI is a conversational search engine and research assistant that provides simple, intelligent answers to queries. It searches the internet for trustworthy sources and offers links to them for further learning. Users can also access the service for free through its freemium business strategy, making it an affordable solution for those seeking information on any topic. But wait, there's more. Let's explore another game-changing AI tool. Claude AI is a virtual chat companion that can engage in natural language conversations and generate text content, such as summarizing information, crafting creative pieces, or generating code snippets. It can also upload images or text-based files to add context and enrich conversations. Claude's diverse capabilities and user-friendly interface make interactions with AI enjoyable and productive, making it a valuable tool for project management or summary of research findings. With its diverse capabilities, Claude is a valuable digital companion for any project. Ready for the next innovation? Let's dive into our next AI marvel. Grammarly is a tool that acts as a personal writing assistant, checking your writing for grammar, punctuation, spelling, and style suggestions. It helps make your writing clear and concise, making it more effective. For example, when sending an important email to your boss, Grammarly flags any errors or improvements, making it like having your editor. It ensures your writing always shines. Hold on to your seats, because the final AI tool we're unveiling is like nothing you've ever seen before. Trust us. Quillbot is your AI-powered writing assistant, helping you craft compelling content with confidence. Whether you're a professional writer, student, or business owner, Quillbot empowers you to express yourself effortlessly. With its advanced paraphrasing and rewriting capabilities, Quillbot helps you overcome writer's block and create content that resonates with your audience. It helps a student improve essay writing skills, refine arguments, and enhance writing quality. But what's next in our lineup of AI wonders? Brace yourselves as we uncover Notion AI transforms the way we organize information and collaborate on projects. With its intelligent features for note-taking, task management, and knowledge sharing, Notion AI makes teamwork more efficient and enjoyable than ever before. Whether you're working on a solo project or collaborating with a team, Notion AI helps you stay organized and focused on what matters most. A remote team centralizes project documentation with Notion AI, ensuring alignment and productivity. Excited to see what's next on our list? Let's unveil our next AI gem. Jasper is an AI system designed to enhance digital experiences by providing a knowledgeable digital assistant. It offers assistance with tasks, provides helpful information, and engages in conversation. Jasper is not just a chatbot. It has advanced language understanding capabilities, allowing it to understand human speech and respond naturally. For example, Jasper can provide travel advice and personalized recommendations for the best places to visit. Its intuitive interface makes navigating the digital world a breeze. Want to see more magic? Join me as we discover the next AI tool making waves. Copy.ai is the ultimate tool for marketers and advertisers, providing AI-generated copywriting solutions for social media, ads, landing pages, and more. With Copy.ai, marketers can create compelling copy that drives engagement and conversions in no time. Whether you're launching a new campaign or refreshing your brand messaging, Copy.ai helps you craft the perfect message that captivates your audience and drives results. A digital marketing agency streamlines content creation with Copy.ai, delivering tailored solutions for clients across industries. Last, but we can't say it is the least, ClickUp is an all-in-one productivity tool that simplifies work life by bringing all projects together in one central hub. It helps manage tasks, deadlines, and team collaboration. ClickUp Brain is an added feature that provides helpful suggestions, context, and guidance tailored to each role and task. It helps in planning projects, assigning tasks, tracking progress, ensuring productivity, and staying on track throughout the process. ClickUp is a supercharged assistant that simplifies managing multiple projects across different apps. All right, folks, there you have it, the cream of the crop, the top 10 AI tools of 2024. Now tell us, which one has got you buzzing with excitement? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And hey, if you're hungry for more tech awesomeness, don't forget to hit that like button, share with your friends, and subscribe for your regular dose of innovation. Until next time, keep riding the AI wave and exploring endless possibilities.